Hola! What is up, guys? Welcome back to Val's View. I see you. So in today's episode of Val's View, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Zoom app. I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process through it all, how you can sign up and how you can create a meeting. So with no further ado, let's get into this video. We are here at my home screen and I'm just going to be showing you how we can download the Zoom app. First of all, you're going to go straight to Play Store and go click Zoom. Alright, so you can download it for your Android or your iOS. Okay, so you're going to click install. It's going to take a little while to install here, guys. So I'm just going to speed past this point a little. Okay. Alright, so once it's installed, you're just going to click open the app. Zoom is a very wonderful app that you can use for lectures, for meetings, or whatever. Now, once you're on the app, as you can see, you can just immediately join a meeting. You do not need to sign up or sign in. Join the meeting, you just click join in. Then, if you were sent, you should be sent a meeting ID or password, so you can just join the meeting straight away. Okay, and if you want to sign in, you will simply click sign in. Sign in, you can sign in straight with your Google or with Facebook, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign. Oh, sorry, you could simply sign up or sign in. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to simply sign in with my Google account. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to click this. So it's quite very easy to sign into your Zoom account. Alright, so tada, you are here for verification. They're going to ask you for your date of birth. So guys, please close your eyes unless you want to buy me a birthday gift. Alright, great guys. Okay, so yeah, so click continue. What? Okay, so yeah, tada. So this is after we've signed into our Zoom account. Okay, so now you're here, you could start a new meeting, which is you being the host. You could join the meeting, you could schedule a meeting, or you could share your screen. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you. I'm going to start from the last one. Oh, sorry, from the first one. Now, a new meeting. Start a new meeting is quite simple. All you need to do is click start meeting. Alright, so let's just click start meeting. It's going to actually connect first because it uses the internet. Alright, please allow Zoom access. So we're going to allow Zoom access. Okay, so we have to allow Zoom to access all this place. So we're going to click allow, then also allow for the audio. Gonna click allow. So now if you look above your screen, you're gonna see something that looks like Zoom, a Zoom verified icon. Okay, now this is where you click to find your ID and your password. So I'm just gonna click it right now. So this is it. This is what you're gonna see. Once you click it, you're gonna see your meeting ID, the host name, your password, and your link that you can use to invite somebody to your meeting. Okay, now because we didn't use your personal ID, so this is your participant ID. Alright, so guys, now you can also start video, or you can also mute the video. This if you click on start video, you're going to mute your video and it's only going to be your photo that is going to show. If you click on share screen, what you're going to see is all these options. See Microsoft Drive, Google Drive, Box, a lot of options to pick from when you choose share screen. Okay, so if I should click participant, Okay, this is participant. If I click participant, I'm going to this is what's going to appear. You're going to see your name, and you're going to see invite, and you're going to see mute all. So if you want to invite, you click invite, this is what it's going to see. You click invite, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see messenger, different ways you can invite people. So when people mostly have difficulty on Zoom is when they are on video and suddenly they tap the video and they slide the video and suddenly they see tap to speak and done speaking. So this really gives them some lot of issues. Okay, so all you need to do is just tap back on your screen and you're going to see all the icons back down again. All right, guys. So the lastly is this more. When you click on more, you see things like auto disconnect audio, chat, and meeting settings. Yeah, so I think that's all. This is the meeting settings. If you click meeting settings, yeah, and all right, finally you can now end the meeting. You can choose to leave the meeting or you can choose to end the meeting for all. So once you've ended the meeting, as you can see, we're done with the meeting, and I didn't use my personal ID for the meeting because personal ID for meetings are usually for maybe close friends or people you call frequently. But when you want to do a general meeting for lots of people, please, I do not advise for you to use your personal ID. Alright, so now you can just simply join a meeting, which as I showed you earlier is quite easy. Or you could schedule a meeting. That means you can prepare a meeting for future dates, you know, so as to make things easier for yourself and so that you can advertise your meeting to as many people or to your teammates as you can. And you can also share your screen. Sharing your screen should be for a meeting that already exists. That means it has to have a meeting ID. Alright, so that's pretty much it. These are also things you can do. These are meetings that you can join or you've created. These are your contact list. So I'm just going to simply allow Zoom access to my contacts. As you can see, these are my contacts. See, I have 625 contacts. That's a lot. Alright, so and this is my simple Zoom settings. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this. Okay, so finally you can also chat over here. Alright, so here is still add contact. You can chat from here. Okay, so thank you. Let's get back to my pretty face. Hello guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video about how to use the Zoom app. So if you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe right here. And also if you want to watch more of my videos, here there, please leave me a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about this video. And also I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.